Welcome to the ultimate ride through automotive madness. Today, we're diving into the 10 craziest classic cars ever built. Machines so wild, so bizarre, and so jaw-dropping, they'll make you question everything you thought you knew about cars. From bubble-shaped microcars that look like toys, to futuristic concept cars that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, each one is more insane than the last. Stick with us till the very end, because number one will literally blow your mind. It's a car that defies gravity and logic itself. Don't blink, because you won't want to miss a single second of this insane automotive countdown. Ford Gyron. The Ford Gyron takes the top spot as perhaps the most audacious and mind-bending car ever conceived. A vehicle that completely defies the laws of physics. Built in 1961, this futuristic marvel balances on just two wheels, relying on a massive internal gyroscope to stay perfectly upright even when stopped, with retractable outriggers for safety when the engine is off. Visually, it's pure jet-age brilliance, with a sleek silver delta wing shape, a massive glass bubble canopy, and rocket-inspired chrome detailing. Inside, a central steering dial replaces a traditional wheel, completing the spaceship-like experience. Though it never reached production due to the complexity and cost, the Ford Gyron remains the ultimate testament to fearless, boundary-pushing automotive imagination, a machine where audacity and science fiction collided on wheels. Ferrari 512 S Modulo. The Ferrari 512 S Modulo takes silver as perhaps the most extreme and radical concept car ever to wear the legendary prancing horse badge. Unveiled in 1970 at the Geneva Motor Show, this UFO-like machine, designed by Pininfarina, looked nothing like a traditional Ferrari, standing just 36.8 inches tall and appearing to hover above the ground. With no conventional doors or windows, entry requires the entire roof, windshield, and side glass to slide forward, forcing the driver to step over side pods into the reclined cockpit. Its hidden wheels, wedge-shaped body, and 24 display holes on the engine cover showcase the roaring 5-liter V12 behind the driver, turning performance into art. Unbelievably low, outrageously futuristic, and shockingly beautiful, the Modulo is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece valued at $20 to $30 million. A car that truly defies gravity and imagination. Trident. The Trident is a microcar that looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic sci-fi cartoon. A truly unforgettable piece of 1960s imagination. Built on the tiny Isle of Man in 1964, this three-wheeled bubble car was designed as a city commuter, with an ultra-compact, saucer-like shape that broke every norm of car design. Its defining feature is the massive plexiglass dome that acts as roof, windshield, and doors all in one, lifting forward to reveal a tiny two-seat interior that feels like sitting inside a life-sized gumball machine. Powered by a 49 cubic centimeter moped engine, it reached a terrifyingly slow top speed of 28 miles per hour, while the sun-beaming dome turned the cabin into a literal greenhouse. Loud, cramped, and quirky, the Trident may not have been practical, but it captured the spirit of optimistic, space-age design and remains a beloved oddity in automotive history. Dodge Deora. The Dodge Deora is a legendary custom pickup that completely broke every rule of conventional car design, turning a simple truck into a futuristic showstopper. Built in 1967 by the talented Alexander brothers, this wedge-shaped machine became instantly iconic, especially after being featured as one of the original Hot Wheels cars that millions of kids grew up playing with. But the real Deora is even crazier in full size. With its ultra-low, sleek body and spaceship-like appearance, it barely looks like a truck at all. The most mind-blowing feature is the entry system. There are no side doors. Instead, the entire front windshield lifts open like a clamshell, forcing the driver to climb in from the front over the steering wheel. It's impractical, risky, and completely insane. But that's exactly what makes it unforgettable. a true symbol of creativity, where imagination took full control. Alfa Romeo B.A.T. 7. The Alfa Romeo B.A.T. 7 is a breathtaking masterpiece where automotive engineering meets pure art, pushing the limits of design and aerodynamics like never before. Created in 1954 as part of an experimental series, this car wasn't just built to look futuristic. It was engineered to slice through the air with incredible efficiency. With its dramatic curves, hidden wheels, and aggressive stance, it almost looks like a vintage Batmobile designed for a superhero. The most striking feature is its massive rear fins, shaped like wings folding inward, perfectly guiding airflow and giving it an otherworldly presence. Every inch of the car, from its pointed nose to its smooth glass canopy, was crafted for performance, resulting in an astonishingly low drag coefficient that rivals even modern supercars. Rare, beautiful, and unbelievably advanced, this machine remains one of the boldest designs ever created. Plymouth XNR. The Plymouth XNR is one of the most wildly imaginative concept cars ever created, completely rejecting the idea of symmetry and embracing pure automotive madness. Designed in 1960 by the bold and unconventional Virgil Exner, this machine looked less like a sports car and more like a futuristic escape vehicle built for a comic book villain. Its most shocking feature is its asymmetrical design, where the driver's side and passenger side look completely different. The driver is clearly the focus, with a massive headrest fin stretching along the rear, while the passenger seat sits lower and can even be covered, turning the car into a single-seat racer. Even the hood carries an off-center scoop to enhance its unbalanced look. Despite its strange appearance, it was fully functional, packing serious power and speed. With a mysterious journey across continents and survival through conflict, this car remains a true legend of bold design. Scootacar. The Scootacar is one of the most bizarre microcars ever created, looking less like a vehicle and more like a motorized telephone booth on wheels. Built in 1957 by engineers who usually designed massive locomotives, this tiny machine was born from a simple idea: to create something easier to park than a full-sized sports car. What they came up with was hilariously unconventional. The car is incredibly tall and extremely narrow, giving it a top-heavy, almost cartoon-like appearance that makes you question how it stays balanced on the road. Inside, the driver sits directly over a small scooter engine and steers using motorcycle-style handlebars instead of a steering wheel. It could even fit two people in a cramped tandem setup, though comfort was clearly not a priority. With a modest engine pushing it to surprising speeds, driving this strange bubble felt more like a risky adventure than a normal commute, making it a truly unforgettable oddity. Nissan S-Cargo. The Nissan S-Cargo is one of the most charmingly bizarre vehicles ever created, turning a simple delivery van into something straight out of a cartoon. Introduced in 1989 during Japan's economic boom, this quirky machine was designed with humor in mind, and its name cleverly plays on small cargo, while sounding like the French word for snail. And true to that idea, the entire design mimics a snail, from its tall, arched roof resembling a shell to its round, protruding headlights that look like tiny antennas. Its unusual proportions and playful styling made it instantly eye-catching on the streets. Inside, the weirdness continues with a centrally mounted speedometer, styled like a clock, and a flat dashboard that doubles as a workspace. Despite its odd looks, it was surprisingly practical, offering ample cargo space for small businesses, making it both strange and smart at the same time. Suzuki X-90. The Suzuki X-90 is one of the most confusing yet fascinating cars ever created. A vehicle that truly struggled to define what it wanted to be. Released in the 1990s, it looked like a strange mix between a rugged SUV and a tiny sports coupe, leaving people wondering if it was built for adventure or style. Its bubbly, almost cartoon-like design made it impossible to ignore on the road. One of its most unique features was the removable T-top roof, allowing open-air driving while still sitting high on a truck-like frame with available four-wheel drive. Despite its tough foundation, it only had 2 seats and very limited storage, making it impractical for everyday use. Still, this odd machine found a second life as a promotional icon, often seen carrying giant Red Bull cans, turning its weirdness into unforgettable charm. AMC Pacer. The AMC Pacer bursts onto the list as one of the strangest yet most unforgettable cars ever built, perfectly capturing the quirky spirit of the 1970s. Nicknamed the Flying Fishbowl, this unusual machine stood out with its wide, rounded body that looked more like a glass bubble than a traditional car. Designed during a fuel crisis, it was meant to be compact yet incredibly spacious, resulting in a bizarre jelly bean shape that people couldn't ignore. What truly made it crazy was its massive glass coverage, nearly 40% of the car, turning every drive into a bright, panoramic experience, and sometimes an unbearably hot one. Adding to its odd charm, the Pacer featured asymmetrical doors, with the passenger door longer for easier rear access. It was weird, bold, and completely different, and that's exactly why it became a cult classic loved by generations.